Hello and welcome back. If you're joining live or watching the replay, I'm Betty Rose Perdon, founder of BBITS. So far this month, we've covered clean books, closing your year, reconciliations, expenses and income, financial reports, IRS notices, and DIY versus professional support. Today, we're talking about something many business owners think doesn't apply to them: tax planning. And I want to be clear from the start: tax planning is not just for big businesses. What tax planning really is: tax planning is not tax preparation. Tax prep looks backward, tax planning looks forward. Tax planning means understanding how your business is taxed, knowing where your profit is going, making intentional decisions before year end, reducing surprises legally. Planning is proactive, preparation is reactive. January is where planning begins. Be honest. Have you ever said, "I'll worry about taxes when it's time to file"? Type me in the comments. You're not alone, but that mindset is expensive. Why small businesses need tax planning most? Large businesses plan because they have teams. Small businesses need planning because cash flow is tighter, one mistake hits harder, owners pay the tax personally, and there's less room for error without planning. Profit feels unpredictable, tax bills feel shocking, decisions are reactive. Planning gives control. Common tax planning myths? Let's clear these up. I don't make enough to plan. Planning is only for corporations. My tax preparer will handle that. I'll just write off more. Tax planning is about timing, structure, and awareness, not loopholes. And it must happen before December 31st. Type yes if your tax bill surprised you last year. Type no if it didn't. What tax planning can include? Tax planning may involve reviewing profit regularly, adjusting estimated payments, understanding deductible expenses, planning large purchases, evaluating entity structure, retirement contributions, depreciation strategies. None of this requires big. It requires being intentional. Why January is the ideal time? January gives you a fresh financial year, clean starting numbers, time to adjust, opportunity to plan, not react. Waiting until December limits options. Planning early expands them. January decisions affect December outcomes. At BBITS, tax planning is part of how we support clients. We help business owners understand their numbers, plan for taxes throughout the year, avoid surprises, make informed decisions. Planning starts with clean books and clarity. If your tax bill feels unpredictable or you want more control this year, it's time to plan. DM me plan or book a discovery call using the link in my bio. Tax planning isn't about paying nothing. It's about paying what's correct on purpose. Tomorrow, we'll talk about who really needs bookkeeping cleanup and why. Thanks for being here. I'll see you tomorrow.